Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's $5 profit funnels review video, I'd like to share with you a brand new $5 funnel that has earned the owner $18,000 in 30 days. And what you can do, these are all done for you funnels, and you can clone them all in 2 hours just for the price of $5. Now, there's going to be a sixth funnel I'm going to come to shortly at the end, which is a done for you funnel. And more importantly in this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you some proof, first of all, that these are proven to convert and that they've already earned thousands of dollars. There's going to be step-by-step video tutorials by the seven-figure owner and earner. I'm going to take you inside the members area and show you exactly what you're going to get. And the value for $5 is it's just superb value. There's no monthly membership costs. And you can also earn low to high ticket commissions. You can earn up to $98 on the $5 profits funnel. And you don't even have to buy that high ticket product yourself to earn that $98 commission. I'll show you how that works shortly. Now, this is perfect for beginners because you're going to be using free tools and free traffic, and there's video tutorials. So it's perfect for beginners. If you're brand new to affiliate marketing, these are the sort of offers where you can pay $5, no monthly membership costs, use free tools and traffic, and then start to generate some profits. There will be an income disclaimer in the description. I'm not going to make any income claims or guarantees in this video. We've all got an equal opportunity to become a member of $5 profits funnels and also promote it as an affiliate. So let's have a look at the owner of this product first of all. Who's going to be training you? Who's going to be coaching you and helping you clone? Who's giving you these funnels that he's created personally and is using? This is Luther Landreau. If you're not familiar with Luther Landreau, then I would say he's probably one of the top product creators in the Warrior Plus marketplace, and probably one of the top earners as well. Now you'll see the accolades under here that he's got. He's a top 1% product creator. He's a superstar product creator. He's a top 5% affiliate. So not only a product creator, but as an affiliate, he understands what you need and what funnels work and convert to generate leads and commissions. He's an elite affiliate. And if you look here, as a vendor, he's had 159 featured offers in the Warrior Plus top 10 marketplace. So that's the gentleman you're going to be working with. Now, what we'll do is we'll go inside the members area and show you what you're going to get. But first of all, I'll show you some proof. These are going to be the 5 products here. Now, we're going to have a look at this one here, Auto Affiliate AI. Now, when I go into the Warrior Plus marketplace, if I scroll down here, now there's quite a lot of stats and data on here, but if we go back to the top, I want to focus on 2 columns. The column here, how many sales, so the products on the left-hand side, this is the sales column here, the second one in, and then the average sale here. They're the 2 columns that you're really looking to be concerned with. There are others, but I want to show you here on Luther's products that you're going to be creating a funnel for and promoting. So this is his product. This is one of the 5, Auto Affiliate AI. It sold over 3,000 products in the last month. So that's how many it sold. So you can see it's a high converting product. The average sale, which was the column here I was showing you, is $48.54. So he's giving you funnels that are high converting products. So let's go back into the members area. Let's go right back to the beginning now and show you what you're going to get and why it's great for beginners as well. So we're going to go all the way to the top. So the link in the description is where you join for $5, and then he's going to send you an email where you can log into your members area here. Gives you a congratulations. So welcome and watch me first. Now these videos here are very detailed and really step-by-step tutorials. What I like about them is there's nothing, after you've watched one, you don't think I've got to go back and watch that again. The detail that he puts into the videos and the tutorials is absolutely superb. So he does tailor it a lot to beginners as well. It's an 8-minute video, and what he does there is it just sort of goes through an overview. And what he does here is there's some other offers there. You can take him up on those if you wish to do so. That's not compulsory. And here are the downloads. So he's using a free Aweber account, which allows you to get 500 subscribers for free. And by the time you've got 500 subscribers, then potentially you should be earning a reasonable income to be able to upgrade within Aweber if you wish to do so. Or you can even just delete some of the inactive subscribers and keep it at a nice 500. So everything's downloadable here. And then through these are the email campaigns. Now he's even giving you bonuses. He's even giving you bonuses that will help you boost your conversions as well. So the video coaching starts here. It talks about how to set up Warrior Plus. So if you're brand new to Warrior Plus, and it shows you how to get auto approved for these products. And that's all nice and detailed, step by step. He talks you here about the bonuses and how to put the bonus materials into your campaign. That's another short video there. And then he talks you through the lead capture pages. He calls them landing pages, lead capture pages. This is an example of one, but it shows you with inside Aweber, click by click. So that video lasts 4 or 5 minutes. So these are all the done for you lead capture pages, very professionally done. So it's gone through everything to help you become successful. And the next step is how to set up your emails, how to just copy and paste this email and put it into Aweber. So that video there is around about 8 minutes. And then it goes through social media traffic. So a training there on social media, using free traffic through social media as well. There's also a customer support ticket here if you want to get customer support. And so what I like about it is just the detail. And I've learned quite a lot, even though I've been a member of Warrior Plus now for a couple of years. I've learned quite a lot from Luther within those tutorials myself that's going to help me in my Warrior Plus business. So let's have a look over here. Now, when I talk to you about a sixth done for you funnel, then what you can do is you can get an affiliate link to promote $5 profit funnels itself. So you'll be promoting this page here. This is your sixth funnel. So you can use all the tricks and techniques that you learn inside. This is the page that will be in the description. So click the link in the description and all the information's on there. So you can promote this offer as well. Now the beauty of promoting this offer is that you'll see there's 8 products in there, and there's one product here for $197, another one here for $197. So the commission's on the right hand side here. If any of your referrals decide that they want to upgrade for any of these products, and you can earn $98.50 on that one as a one-time payment. $98.50 there. You can earn $49.98 there, and he's paying you 100% commission on the front end. So once you referred one member, you're going to get $5 100% commission. So if you promote the offer, he'll auto approve you because you're a paid member, and then you just promote your affiliate link. And once you get one referral, then you've got your money back. And you're also getting all the other 5 funnels to be able to set up and promote as well. So I think it's superb value. It's 6 funnels, 6 done for you funnels for $5 one-time price. So if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that, because that will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And if you'd like to see some more videos from me on how to make money online, then please click subscribe and the bell icon, and then you get notified of all my new videos. So currently I'm doing several new uploads every week, and I've now got over 1,000 videos on my channel. If you've got any questions at all about any of the content in this video, then please put those in the comments below. I'll answer all your questions for you, and my email address will be in the description if you want to contact me direct through email. And I do mentor students one-to-one, so if you'd like some help with your affiliate marketing, just contact me on that email address, and then I'll get back to you as soon as I can. So where's the page here? So this is the page here. Have a good look at the home page. It's quite a long home page, and then when you come down here, the price here at the moment is $5, no monthly membership costs, and then that will give you access into that members area here, and then you can follow Luther's tutorials and clone those 5 funnels within a couple of hours, and then start promoting them. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.